Hello and welcome. In this short video, we'll guide you through how to complete your self-guided orientation using Canvas. First, no login is needed. You will receive a direct link that takes you straight to the orientation course. No username or password required. Once you click the link, the Canvas course will open in your browser. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with two important links, one labeled Home and one labeled Modules. Let's start with Home. To begin the orientation, click on the image labeled Start Here. If you happen to click on the Contact Us image, this will lead you to our website. But to begin the orientation, we would like you to click on Start Here. You will first see the Welcome Tutorial section. You're currently watching the video for this section. If you've seen it before, feel free to skip ahead. Generally, we would like you to carefully read the content and watch the short video. When you're ready, click the Next button at the bottom of the page to continue. You will continue to use the Next button and the Previous button at the bottom of each page to move through the orientation easily, like so. You'll eventually reach a page that is titled Meet the Team. Some sections, like this one, contain multiple tabs. Here we have one that's labeled Director with this following information. Then we have another tab labeled Program Staff with more information. You will need to review the content in each tab before continuing to the next page. If you click on the Modules link, you will see the full course layout, which includes Getting Started, Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, Module 4, and the Congratulations section. If you need to take a break, make a note of the module you're on. Each module has the title written at the top of the page. For example, Meet the Team was the module we were at, and the title is right at the top of the page. Canvas includes a tool called Immersive Reader to support your learning. You'll find the Immersive Reader button at the top of most pages. Here is the button on our screen. If you click on it, you will be able to hear the text read out loud to you by clicking on the play button. Adjust the reading speed, translate the text into your primary language, and change the text and font, as well as the background color. The next video will explain how to use this feature. Some pages include YouTube videos. To enable translated subtitles, you will need to click on the video, click on the Settings button, which looks like a gear icon. You will choose Subtitles, Auto Translate, and from here you will select your primary language or your preferred language. Once you go back, you can exit out of those videos that are displayed and click the play button. In your primary language or preferred language. This will help you better understand the video content. And that's it. Follow these steps to complete your orientation successfully. If you have any questions or need help, please contact our office. We're happy to assist you. Thanks for watching and good luck with your orientation.